Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1 of class 9th. Okay. So what we are going to do is exercise 1.2 1.1. We did question number 1 in our last video, and now we are going to do question number 2 of it. So in question number 2, what we are going to do, we have to do which of the following matrices are equal. Which of the following matrices are equal? Okay, we have to find this. And what are the matrices? Let me write all the matrices here. Okay, so for writing matrices, I'm choosing blue color. Okay, so matrices are A, B is equal to 3, 5, 5. C is equal to 5 minus 2. This is 5 minus 2. These all are different matrices, A, B, C, and then D is equal to 5, 3. It has 2 elements. Then E is equal to has 4 elements, 4, 6, 0, 2. Then F is equal to, it has only 2 elements, 2 and 6. Then G is equal to 3 minus 1 and 3 plus 3. Okay. Then H is equal to 4, 6, 0, 2. Okay. And then I matrix is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2. 2 elements, 1 is 3 and then 3 plus 2 means 5. Okay, and then the last is, wait, sorry. Okay, then the last element is J. J is equal to 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4, then 2 minus 2 and 2 plus 0. Okay, now listen to me carefully. What we actually have to do, we have to find the equal matrices. Equal, okay? So what are equal matrices? Equal matrices, what are equal matrices? Okay, so they are equal matrices if A and B are equal. Then how they will be equal? Matrix A, order of A will be equal to order of B. And what else? First condition is, for equal matrices, the first condition is that order of a first matrix should be equal to order of second matrix, and the entries or elements should also be equal. Okay, elements should also be equal and should be at the same place as the other matrix has. Okay, like this. If there is 1, 2, 3, 4, then there must be 1, 2, 3, 4. See, the order is also same because 2 rows, 2 columns. Here as well, 2 rows, 2 columns. Order is same and the entries are also same. At first place, first row, first column, 1, 1. Second place, second column, sorry, second row, second column, 2. Same as for 3 and same for 4. So entries are also same, elements are same at same place, at same order, and the order of matrices are equal. So they are called the equal matrices. Now let us see of these matrices which matrices we find equal. Okay, so for this I'm choosing this color. This is pink. Okay, pink or purple. So the first matrices, there's only one element, and one is of following matrix has only one element. C has only one element. How? Because it is written as 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to what? 3. So same order, one row, one column, one row, one column, and what? Entries are also Elements also same. C is equal to. So A and C are equal. Okay. Let me write here. Equal matrix. C. Okay. What? A is equal to C. Now let us for B. B has elements because 5 is and B. Okay. So we will A is equal to if C here. We will leave E. Obviously, it is not because it has different order, two rows, columns, whereas one row and two columns. Okay, so we have to find one row and two columns. So here you have to very you have to be very careful in finding out the D. D is two. D plus D is different is one two, two rows. As D has one row, then I no, obviously not. Then I is equal to 3 and 3 plus 2. First element is 3. See 3. Second is 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to what? 5. So 3 5 3 5. Same order. One row, two columns. One row, two columns here as well. And same entries 3 3 5 5. Okay. So B is equal to I. Okay. We will write here B is equal to I. B is equal. These two matrices are equal. Okay. Then we will go for D. And D, which matrix is equal to D. So it has only one row and two columns. One row, two columns. There is one row, two columns. One row, two columns. There isn't any other matrix which has one row, two columns. D is alone. No other matrix is equal to D. Okay. Now we will go for E. Here, by looking at matrices, you can find it. E is equal to A. Sorry, E is equal to 8. Why? Because it has same row number of rows, same number of columns, means equal order is same, and then has same entries 4 4 0 0 2. So E and H are equal. If any other matrix is also equal to these matrices, E and H are equal, and then what is also equal to E and H. Right? 2 equal to 4 plus 4 is 2 minus 2 is equal to so 4 0 6 4 is this 4 4 0 0 6 6 2 2. So E, H, and A, these three are equal. These three are equal matrices. E is equal to A, and H is equal to. So this was our lecture, and it was question number 2 of exercise number 1.1 of class 9 mathematics, and we successfully are done with it. And I hope you understand now that how to find equal matrices, and you have got the idea of this whole question as well. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in the next lecture, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.